Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Are you short on closet space or need a place for your guests to hang their coats and hats when they come in? Well, look no further because you found a very unique coat rack right here. Putting this coat rack together was simple as 1, 2, 3. It took me less than 10 minutes and I was ready for business with a great looking coat rack. I like that the hooks are big enough and long enough to fit a bulky coat, and they're spaced quite nicely and give you room to layer items easily on this coat rack. This rack fit perfectly near our entryway and was just what we needed for easy access for our visitors. You can see our family and friends are very partial to black coats. They stack quite neatly at our door. So if you're looking for a very unique, stylish, and modern coat rack that fits really good into an entryway or into your bedroom, then you have found one right here. We love it, we highly recommend it, and that's just our point of view.